Bob would be. Okay, friends till the end. Fine, fine, fine. That seems cool to me. Okay. Any other theme, da? Any other theme, children? Do you think of any other theme? I told you, no, if I get better themes from you, I'll be the most happiest person. Be honest on your duty. Okay, Navin Aditya. Alan, think of theme, common theme, da. It is like sayings, not adjectives and sentences. Okay, like proverbs and sayings, da. Responsibility, okay, fine. Okay, keep thinking, children. When we appear for psycho test, I'll be looking forward to read your themes and read your criticism part. Duty of friendship. Okay, the clash between the duty and friendship. Okay, Pratika, very good. You can use this theme for the first paragraph. Be honest on all ways. Yes, Alan, very good, Alan. Be good on all the ways. Very good, Alan. Excellent. Okay, da. So now children concentrate on, are you able to see my screen, everybody? Are you able to see my screen, da? Is my voice clear? Is my screen clear? Everything okay? Yes. Yes, Shivish. That's good. That's good. Friendship is the best. Okay. Best what? Okay. Yes, let's get into the first part. Okay. Bob was doing great in the West. Let me read after me at home. Okay. So do it. Bob was doing great in the West. He became very rich after he had left New York 20 years before. Okay, he became very rich after he had left New York 20 years before. But he did not earn money in honest ways. That's most important. He did not earn money in honest ways. He indulged himself in many illegal activities to earn such a lot of wealth. He indulged himself in many illegal activities to earn such a lot of wealth. As a result, he was not true to law and became the most wanted criminal in Chicago. So this is introduction. Let me read the introduction part again. Bob was doing great in the West. He became very rich after he had left New York 20 years before, but he did not earn money in honest way. Though he became rich, he did not earn money in honest ways. He indulged himself in many illegal activities to earn such a lot of wealth, like diamonds in scarf pin, diamonds in watch, and everything, such a lot of wealth. As a result, he was not true to law. Okay, as a result, he was not true to law and became the most wanted criminal in Chicago. Okay, so look at the quotation I have included. If Jimmy is alive on earth, he will be here by that time. Yes, Siddheshwar. Good. Duty versus friendship. Okay, so if Jimmy is alive on earth, he will be here by that time. So this is the line which I extracted from book. You can write your own line. Okay, I mean, you can take any line from the book and you have to write as such. Okay, so moving on to the second paragraph. Wait a minute. Moving on to the second paragraph. I mean, second part of the same paragraph. Though he was a criminal, okay, though he was a criminal, though Bob was a criminal, he was much loyal to his friend. Okay, though he was a criminal, he was much loyal to his friend. He risked his own life to meet his friend on the appointed day. He came all the way from Chicago to New York just to see his friend Jimmy Wells. He was much sure of not revealing his criminal status to his friend. Okay, so the first passage is all about the introduction, how he make money through illegal activities to make such a lot of wealth, and he became the most wanted person in Chicago. So the first part is all about the introduction. Yes, Devaguru, let me explain the second passage. Second passage, look at that. Though he was a criminal, he was much loyal to his friend. What do you mean by loyal to his friend? Much loyal to his. Stop scribbling on the screen, children. Don't scribble anything except me. Okay, so I will scribble, right? But don't do that. Okay. Loyal is honest. Very good, Rahul Binoy. Very good. Loyal is honest. Okay, look at that. He was rich now. Before 20 years, he was very poor. He was like common to Jimmy West. But now he became rich. He has lots of diamonds. He has lots of wealth. He could easily, escape this appointment. He could make some excuses not to go out of Chicago because he knew that he was criminal. The police are in search of him, but but okay, so though he was a criminal, he gives value. He values his friendship a lot. Okay, he was much loyal. He was very much honest. He was very much sincere to his friendship. Okay, that is why he risked his own life. Okay, he knew that, okay, if he was a criminal, he will move freely in Chicago, or he will hide in one place. Okay, forget about this paragraph. If he was a criminal, if Bob was a criminal in Chicago, definitely he will move freely in Chicago. He will hide himself most of the time, and only when it is needed he will come out. So he move freely, or he hides himself. Very good. He hides himself. He hides himself, right? But to meet his friend, very good. To meet his friend Jimmy Wells, he risked his own life to meet his friend on the appointed day. He came out of his hiding place. In that way, he risked his life just to meet his friend on the appointed day. He came all the way from Chicago. Children, what is the meaning of the phrase all the way? All the way. All the way from. Have you heard of this phrase? People using it? Like, I came all the way from Chennai. Okay, very far distance. Very good, children. All the way. Just look at it. If someone comes all the way from New York to meet you, then it's something important. Look, it is such a long distance, very far, very good. He came all the way from Chicago to New York just to see his friend Jimmy Wells. Okay, he's a businessman. Of course, it is illegal, but he could make a lot of money if he stayed in Chicago. But he came just to see his friend Jimmy Wells, and he was much sure of not revealing, in the sense, not revealing. Revealing is opposite to hiding. Okay, he had decided to hide his criminal status. Okay, he did not want to say his friend that he was a criminal. Okay, he did not want to say that. Okay, revealing is not telling. He was much sure of not revealing his criminal status to his friend. Is it clear now, da? Is the passage clear now? Children, please let me know. Yes, Sai Raghav. Someone said it is difficult. How about that person? Is it clear now? Hiding the identity. Yes, yes, Rahul Binay. Excellent. Okay, okay. His hand was steady when he began to read, but it trembled by the end. He had finished. He had finished. Okay, so this is the line I took from the lesson. If you find some other line interesting, you can include. Okay, so look at the next one. Bob was not, the conclusion part. Bob was not worried about the arrest. Okay, he was not worried about the arrest, but he would have felt bad knowing that the patrolman was his friend Jimmy. Okay, he was not worried at all. Okay, he was not worried about arrest. If he were worried about arrest, he would not have come at all. Okay, he would not come out of his hiding place. He was not worried about the arrest, but he felt very bad knowing that the patrolman. What do you mean by patrolman? Patrolman is also patrolman is also patrolman is also called policeman. Okay, so policeman patrolman are one and the same. Okay, so yes, very good, Sai Raghav. So who is patrolman? The policeman who is on rounds are called patrolman. Okay, patrolman who is on duty. Very good. So patrolman was his friend Jimmy. Okay, he felt very bad knowing that patrolman was his friend Jimmy. He felt, he felt, he felt. What is this word? How to pronounce this word? He felt. Okay, if you know, children, if you know the pronunciation of this word, please raise your hand so that I can make you unmuted. How many of you know the pronunciation? Okay, Pritika, you can say that word.
Embarrassed.
Sivesh, can you say that word?
Embarrassed.
No. Say it properly. Avardhana. Avardhana. Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Embraced. Ma'am?
Not embraced.
Not embraced.
It's not embrace. Embrace is different. Naufal, can you say that word? Naufal.
Ma'am, embarrassed.
Close. Close. No, not that pronunciation. Okay, mute the mic.
Embarrassed.
Very good, Naufal. Rahul Binoy.
I'm embarrassed.
Very good, Rahul. Siman Taran. Siman Taran.
Embarrassed.
Very good. Bavadarini. Bavadarini.
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
Very good. Very good, Bavadarini. Darshini. Can you pronounce this word?
Embarrassed.
Very good. Manisha. Manisha, can you?
Embarrassed.
No, it's so closer. But try it out. Siddheshwar.
Ma'am, embarrassed.
Okay, Shivesh. Siddheshwar. Can you say that word? Nihal. How to pronounce this word? Yes, Nihal, you can speak now. Okay, so fine. So please put your hands down, children. I give chance. Okay, so I gave almost to 10% today. I'll give chance to others in next session. Okay, put your hands down, children. Put your hands down. Put your hands down, please. So let me tell you, he felt embarrassed. Okay, what do you mean by embarrassed? Embarrassed is like, what do you mean by that word? Can you guess the meaning? Embarrassed. What do you mean by that word? Can you guess? Yes? Can you guess that word? Feeling ashamed. Very good, children. Feeling ashamed. Guilty sometimes. Okay. So embrace this different. Embrace this like hug. Okay. You can embrace your dog or you can embrace your friend. Okay. Just imagine you and your friend have met after a very long time. When you see them, you go and hug them. No, that is embrace. Embrace is hugging. Okay. Embarrassed is feeling ashamed, feeling guilty of what we have done. Okay. Just imagine. Okay, it is like sometimes it happens, no? Sometimes when you forgot to button up your shirts, okay, when you step out into the public and when someone pointed it out to you, okay, see you haven't buttoned up, then you feel embarrassed, right? And sometimes if you forgot to wear the pair of slippers properly, like one slipper in right leg and other pair of slipper in left leg, then if you step out into public and when your friend pointed it out to you, then you feel embarrassed. Okay, so it is like feeling guilty or ashamed of what we have done. So now this one, Bob felt embarrassed. Bob felt embarrassed that his friend would then know about him as a criminal. Okay, now Jimmy Wells knew that Bob was a criminal. Okay, so now he felt embarrassed for that. This is how Bob would have felt when he read the letter. Okay, so this last line is from the question. Okay, so you can include. So the conclusion part is clear or not? Bob was not worried about the arrest, but he would have felt bad knowing that the patrolman was his friend Jimmy. He felt embarrassed that his friend would then know about him as a criminal. This is how Bob would have felt when he read the letter. Okay, so these things are very clear now, no? So today's homework is you're going to write the second paragraph. Okay, you're going to write the second paragraph. Learn and write the second paragraph along with question 5, 6, and 7. Okay, question number 5. Describe the policeman on the beat. Okay, children, listen. Describe the policeman on the beat. The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. Okay, his impressiveness was habitual and not for a show. He was trying doors as he went. You are going to write 3 important statements. One is he moved up the avenue. Up the avenue means the street. Avenue is nothing but the street. He was walking in the avenue impressively. Okay, and very importantly, his impressiveness is not for a show. Okay, it is habitual. It is his daily practice and not for a show. Then third important point is he was trying doors as he went. What do you mean by trying doors, Da? What do you mean by trying doors? Children, what do you mean by trying doors, Pa? He was trying doors as he went. So he was walking when so at the time of walking he was trying doors. Can you tell me what do you mean by trying doors? It's not trying for a long time. Trying doors is like he carried a club. I told you, like Laddi, right? With that stick, with that club, he was knocking every door. That is what trying doors. Okay, when he was walking, can you imagine the picture, Da? So let me share the previous picture. So he was walking on the street. Look at that. He was walking on the street. But whenever he was walking, he carried a stick. He carried a long club. No, that in Indian term we call it laddi. So whenever he walked, he was just using that stick to knock at the door. That is what meant by trying doors. Okay, he was trying doors as he went. Is that clear? He was trying doors. Trying doors in the sense he was just knocking doors, just tapping the door with the club. Okay, checking whether there are persons inside or not. Okay. Then sixth question, why did the man speak up quickly? Why did the man speak up quickly? The man spoke quickly because he knew that the policeman would suspect him as a culprit. Okay, so Bob spoke quickly. Bob spoke quickly because he knew that the policeman would suspect him as a culprit. To avoid creating such an image, he started speaking quickly. Okay, so Bob, when policeman approached him, he started speaking quickly. No, why? He did not want to create an image that he was a culprit. Okay, describe the watch that Silky Bob was wearing. What does this tell him? So children, actually a criminal, yes, Pritika, actually a criminal, but he did not want to reveal his status to anybody. Okay, he did not want to. Yes. Okay, look at the 7th question. Describe the watch that Silky Bob was wearing. What does this tell about him? Okay, the watch was so handsome and the lid of the watch was set with small diamonds. Okay, who scribbled that? Yes. The watch was so handsome. Yes, the watch was so handsome and the lid of the watch was set with small diamonds. This is one important point. Look at that. There is a second question in the same question. What does this tell about him? This tells us that Bob is very rich. Okay, so you have to write about lid of the watch was set with small diamonds. Okay, will that be okay, da? So children, I'm just giving you some relaxation. Okay, so tomorrow for today evening you are going to learn 5, 6, 7. Question number 5, 6, 7 alone. These 3 questions alone you are going to learn, and tomorrow you are going to learn the second paragraph, not together. Is that okay for everyone? Is that okay, da? Once again, I tell you the homework 5, 6, and 7. You are going to write the questions, learn and write, and you are going to show me now. Okay, it's time for checking your homework, da. Yes. Please show me. Yes. Let me stop sharing. Yes. You have learned and write now the first paragraph. Can you please show it to me? You can turn on your video and show the whole notebook. Very good, Sai Raghav. Excellent, Sai Raghav. Very good. You can turn off your video now. Very good, Sai Raghav. So first paragraph, synonyms and antonyms. Excellent, excellent, Sai Raghav. How about others? Only Sai Raghav has showed me. How about others? Is ready to show you on this? Children, since I haven't told you that I'm going to check it today, I can allow you for today. I can give it. Very good, Bhavit Raj. Very good, Bhavit Raj. Very good, It's a good handwriting. Cynthia Sri. Excellent, Cynthia Sri. Yes, Avardhana. Okay, Avardhana. Tomorrow. Sanjana. Very good, Sanjana. Excellent, Sanjana. Where is the whole paragraph? Sanjana, Bhavit Raj, Cynthia Sri. Okay, I write down the names. Okay, very good, Sanjana. Very good. I'm writing down all the names who are showing me answers. Sai Raghav, Cynthia Sri, Bhavitra, and Sanjana. So tomorrow I'll be checking out for sure. Tomorrow I'll be checking out everybody. Okay, it is not that Jonah. Very good, Jonah. Jonah, fine. Jonah, I'm writing your name. Yes, that's it. Tomorrow I'll be checking every one of you. Da. Very good, Jonah. Cynthia Sri, Bhavitraj, Sanjana, Sai Raghav, Jonah. So we'll be given full marks in cycle test. So others, I'll check it out tomorrow. Is that clear? So what is today's homework? You are going to learn 5, 6, 7. Question number 5, 6, 7. You are going to learn and write along with synonyms, antonyms again. Okay, so now synonyms, antonyms. So tomorrow, by tomorrow, I'll be checking each and every one of you. I want everyone to turn on your video and show me your notebook. Okay, so please write the 5, 6, 7 questions very clearly. Okay, without fail, everyone. And those 5 children who show their notebooks will be given full marks in cycle test. Okay, cycle test in the sense, okay, there will be internals, no? Internal marks will be given. Okay, others don't lose marks because you will have separate marks for classroom listening and I mean even for projects and homeworks. There will be separate mark allotment for all these things. So please ensure you are scoring all those marks without losing anything. Is that clear? Don't unmute. Yes. Any doubts? Any doubts with the paragraph? Tomorrow we are going to start the new poem. Poem? Yes, Shivesh, yes. Tomorrow we are going to start the new poem. Okay, if we don't have any doubts, we can wind up the session. Thank you all. Thank you. Please do your homework without fail, everybody. I'll be checking it out. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I'll see whose handwriting is better, whose handwriting is very neat. I'll check that also. Okay, who has presented it neatly, whose handwriting is very neat. I'll be checking it too. So please write in a clear manner. Thank you, Da. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. 5, 6, 7 alone. And day after tomorrow, you are going to write the paragraph.